Hey guys, Braga here, and today I'm going to camping with Shark Puppet and Yoshi.
Braga, have fun.
Have fun, Nana. I mean, Nana and Dada. Have fun, Nana and Dada. Bye. Okay, guys, we're going inside the bus, right, Yoshi? Yeah, sure. Okay, guys, today I'm at the bus to camping. Look at the blue bus. Let's go. We're going to camp, right, Yoshi? Yeah, sure. I can wait. Yeah, I know that. Okay, guys, we on the bus right now to Camp Bandung. I'm so excited. Ooh, what's this? Yes, I'm in. I am. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Help me. Help me, Yoshi. Oh no, Shark Puppet, are you okay? Yes, I'm fine. Get me out of here. Okay, I'll help you. Ugh. Thanks, Yoshi. No problem. Okay, we at the parking lot and oh my gosh, it's Miku. Hey, is that Miku?
Okay, Papa Alpha sama Teacher Yosa. Ayo.
Oh, okay.
Where did you get this?
What did you say?
I'm Miku.
Ayo.
Hi,
Kita
Miku.
tunggu di bawah.
Do you want to be my best friend? I'm the best friend of Japan.
Ayo yang mau jajan ke Alpha sama Teacher Yosa.
Okay. Yoshi, meet him. Hi Miku.
Mana? Nggak ada.
Yes. Fist bump. Yes. Fist bump. Is that right? You're my favorite singer. Oh, okay. You're my favorite singer.
Thank you.
Okay. So we're here. Yes, let's go. I know, right? Oh boy, we're here. Ooh, green grass. Oh boy, let's go. Oh boy, camping. Let's go. Yo, it's got a camping, bro. Sorry, I didn't mean to hear that. We arrived at camping. I heard la sound. Okay, we at the camping right now. I here with Gayan. Okay, so look at the beautiful trees. They're huge. Wow, the camping is huge. This is our spot. There's Leafy! Leafy, come over here.
What?
This bomb. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
I cannot breathe. I only draw the sun and the trees. Let's drink a brown minum. I mean drink. It's Indonesia. Seriously. So good.
Oh, I love. Shark Puppet
What?
is waking up.
What? Why are you running, girl?
I'm gonna run from Shark Puppet.
No fun. What?
Everybody turn to a tiger.
What?
Hey, eat tiger candy.
No. We almost there. You're almost there. We almost there. Yoshi, help me! Ah, I'm going down! Oh no! Shark puppet! I'm going to help you! Wait. Wait, what are you doing, Yoshi? Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Ah! Can you do the lasers? Hey! Do the lasers!
Oh, laser? Okay.
Whoa! So cool, right, Yoshi?
Hey.
Yeah! Whoa! So cool with the lights blue! Right, Yoshi? Yeah! Whoa, look at this marshmallow! Marshmallows! They're starting up the fire! Wow, so cool! The campfire! Right, fun of fun!
Right.
Yeah, I know, right? Wow, look at all these marshmallows!
It's so smoky, right?
Yes, it's so smoky. Whoa! Okay, guys, we're going to watch the camping movie. So excited, right, Yoshi? Yeah, this is our food. So, you know what? I'm so excited to watch. Let's watch, Yoshi. Okay. So, it's ATV time. Wait, I have to wake up Yoshi. Yoshi, wake up. Ah, what time is it? It's ATV time. Okay, let's go.
Wait, don't stop. This is the four-wheeler.
Look, here we are, ATV. Let's go. I'm so excited. Whoa, look at the driver. Right, Yoshi? Yeah, whoa.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes, get ready. Here we go on ATV. Okay, I'm ready.
Try it first.
Whoa. To the road.
Kak kirinya. Kak kiri. Kak kiri udah. Oh, ke kanan lah.
Okay, we're going. This is the ATV. Whoa, look at this mud. Whoa, look at this mud road over here. Hey guys, how's it going? Okay, here we go on the mud.
Oh my God, maybe our shoes is broken.
Oh man.
Oh,
Whoa. Hey yo.
Oh, it's water,
Yeah.
Braga.
Here we go.
Careful your shoes.
Whoa.
Careful.
Whoa. That was a lot of fun, right, Yoshi? Yeah. Here we go in a wooden bridge. Right, Yoshi? Yes, I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. I mean to say, here we go. On a wooden bridge. Oh boy, I need to be careful. Right, Yoshi? Yeah. Whoa, be careful. Whoa, look at the view of the ground. And look, there is our bus. Right, Yoshi? Yeah. Wooden bridge is so much fun. Right, Shark Puppet? Yeah. There we go. Guys, I already done. I'm done. I already done with the camping. Right, Yoshi? Yeah, I'm tired. Okay, let's go to the bus. Okay, guys. The people are going. Okay, we gotta inside the bus in here. Okay, guys. We inside the bus again. We are going home. Right, Yoshi? Yeah. Bye, camping. We hope we'll meet again soon. Right, Yoshi? Yes. Okay, we're going back to Jakarta. Finally, we at school with the bus. Now we're going home. Right, Yoshi? Yeah. I can't believe we're home, Yoshi. Yup, time to tell Roblox Traveler. Okay. Welcome home, Shark Puppet and Yoshi. How's your trip to Bandung Camp? It was amazing. We went to ATV. We went to Wooden Bridge, camping fire. We went everywhere. Wow, that's great, you guys. Now I'm gonna go to sleep and maybe get some rest. Okay, Shark Puppet and Yoshi? Yup, Roblox Traveler. We are going to sleep. Okay, Yoshi? Yeah. Okay, bye. Bye, Shark Puppet. I'm seriously going to sleep. Oh, you too, Yoshi. Okay, I'm gonna sleep.